Hey garden friends, I'm Mel with Sucky Crafts, and in this series I will walk you through step by step our new line of craft kits. A cowboy hat that I'm going to plant succulents in. How does it look? Looks good. Do I look like a cowgirl? So, David, my friend here who films me, he's a camera guy, he's the editing guy. David. So he thought of this idea to plant in this. He said, oh, it's a cowboy hat. So cowboys, they start fires in the desert to keep warm, to cook their food, their meals, and so then it became a cactus or a desert style cowboy hat, thanks to David. So I have here some pretty awesome succulents that I want to show you. And the first one here is a cactus. Yeah, we're going to plant some cactus in there. And this is a Cylindropuntia. And this is a Cholla cactus. Look at it. It is gnarly. I never mess with it. I use my tongs always. This is probably the most dangerous cactus in the world. Those Chollas, they'll get you. Oh yeah, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm gonna keep that over there, right here. All right, and so this is obviously represents the desert, the Cholla, right? And then this is gonna represent the campfire, and this is a sedum, and it's called Sedum Firestorm. And it's got the colors there. It's gonna look like flames coming out in the middle. See, we've thought this through. And the cowboy, he's gonna be cooking his pork and beans. This is sedum pork and beans. And he's gonna be sitting on a rock. And we've got here lithops. Check the size of these lithops. That is something else, let me say. This is probably, I mean, it's not like these lithops are super old. They're just super juicy because I kind of let them be. Oh, but look at that. Look at the detail on the face there. That is so beautiful. I love lithops. Mimicry plants are the best. Mimicry plants and sedum. Can't go wrong with that. So let's get started on this little cowboy hat. I'm going to fill it up with soil. And I'm going to start with the cactus. And I'm going to put it towards the left side, right over here. All right, a little nervous here because I'm working with two of them. Grab them with my tongs. I'm gonna plant them as deep as I can. I'm really gonna anchor them down with soil. And I'm gonna try my best not to touch them at all. They are mean, unforgiving type of cactus plant. All right. And I'm gonna just try to stay away from that area right there. I'm gonna kind of press in towards the back because I need space for my campfire here. And I'm gonna try to nestle it in. I'm gonna adjust my cactus. And I'm getting really quiet here because this is a dangerous planting here. Whoever loves their cactus, you know what I'm feeling. Feel a little sweat forming on your forehead. All right, and you might be saying, ooh, are you planting lithops with other succulents? Isn't that a big no-no? No, it's not a big no-no. All you have to know when planting mimicry plants that are so sensitive to overwatering is to not water it so much. That's all. Because I do this a lot. I do it all the time. I plant lithops or other type of mimicry plants with other succulents. And all you have to do is just water it less. So there go my rocks right there. And now to fill in the space, I'm gonna fill it up with my pork and beans. And I'm gonna put a pork and bean. I'm gonna put a little bit more soil here. All right, perfect. Stick a pork and bean there. Another one there. Right there. Oh yeah. Stick another one right here. Close to the fire, and those will eventually trail over and spill over the hat. Wasn't too long, so I'll stick one right there. Whew. And I've got 2 more spaces in the back there. Uh-oh, getting awfully close here to that cholla. There we go. I think this is the best looking arrangement that I've done in a while, thanks to David here. It's better when you know, do it together. All right, so I'm going to kind of dust this off. And I have here some white sand just to finish it all up. Sandy desert. Here we go. So wherever I see some space where some soil is showing, I'm just gonna tuck in some of that sand in there. That is just so much fun. Oh man, if you want your own cowboy hat, you want to do something similar to this, if you like the wild, wild west, like we do over here, get yourself a hat at Silky Crafts. And now you see, you can actually do a little theme in it. I hope you like it just as much as we do, and I hope you have just as much fun. Until next time, bye garden friends. Ooh, I need myself a horse. We need a banjo. Bye. Well, while I tend to my garden, why don't you subscribe so we can keep in touch?